The following is an
Y2K CRIBZ.
special presentation.
Hey, my name is Loving and Batty, the hottest vixen in the whole entire world, and you're watching Y2K CRIBZ. And I'm going to be showing y'all basically what my house looks like, so stay tuned. Right behind me we have my dining table, that's where I eat. And also we have a few of my pieces. I'm going to take y'all to look at them. You already know how I do. I have some of the hottest brands from Apple Bottoms, Baby Phat, Guess, Dairy Young. Winter was coming to an end. I have a lot of fur coats, leather coats for when it's chilly in the summer. I pull them out in fall when winter was, no, spring, sorry, in spring. And before that there was fur coats, but now it's mainly just leather and a few fur and a little bit of bomber jackets, light jackets. I love hip-hop music, R&B music, a little bit of pop, so I have a huge CD collection. Keisha Cole is my favorite singer. I have some Lil Kim, some Foxy Brown, which people said I look like Foxy Brown, Lil Kim. I have Girlicious, I share all the classics, okay, like I like to jam, listen to a lot of like good songs. I love me some Pink when I'm feeling a little bit more alternative and stuff. Obviously I have CD players to listen to my music on. This one was sent to me by BRATZ, aka eBay, and these two other ones, this one is from Sony and this one I'm not too sure what's the name, Audio Vox. And I also got a Hello Kitty radio, and they're right beside my dining area. That's where you're gonna find my TV, where I watch my favorite DVDs and movies and all that stuff. I have a lot of books hanging around. I have a lot of magazine. I was actually featured in the cover of a magazine. You gotta do your research, okay? If you don't know which one I did, do your research. I'm not gonna tell you because you should already know. Now we're gonna move along to the kitchen. Here's my cute little petite kitchen. It's very brown. I wish it was, you know, more colorful, but it came like that. I didn't really want to do too much work on it. However, my dish sets are fun. They're Hello Kitty, they're BRATZ. I got my ramen bowls, Hello Kitty bowls and stuff. I like to enjoy my pasta in, or like little breakfast. I have an easy bake oven for decoration. I don't really make anything in it. I have some recipe books just in case I want to look up a few recipes. I'm gonna show y'all what's in my fridge real quick, okay? Do not judge because it's kind of empty. But I have my zero sugar A&W soda. I love this yogurt. It's by Silk, dairy free. You know, I'm vegan, we don't do that dairy. Again, Silk with their protein almond milk. I love this to death. I make my pastries, I bake with this. Anything that really requires milk, I use this. It has additional protein. I got my packet tofu that I get from Costco. My sugar-free syrup that I use on my French toast, on my pancakes and stuff. Behind this door is where I sleep. No man has ever been in here. No matter what y'all try to say that I'm a hoe because I be in the videos and stuff. No, I don't sleep with no one, okay? I sleep by myself. And my little daughter, I'm gonna show you my daughter too. Voila, this is my room. Here you have my BRATZ bed to complement the fact that I'm a BRATZ soul myself. This is where I relax, this is where I dream, this is where I do everything amazing. This is where the magic happens. My daughter sleeps right next to me. She has a little husband. His name is Gary. They have a little sign that says Girls Roll. He knows what it's about. This is where my tracksuits are. I basically see them when I'm sleeping. I have a lot. It's Christian ODJ, blinged out, super hot. Now I'll be taking y'all to my washroom. My Hello Kitty themed washroom. She is so lovely. Look at the nice little frame that I have here. I have the seat that is Hello Kitty. My little bathtub, and I also have a towel, my little BRATZ at the side. I also have like these little trinkets where you can find my little bat stuff. In the Hannah Montana you can find my Lush kit. Basically, like, I bought myself some Lush stuff for Christmas and then I just stuffed it in here for when I'm taking my baths. I've used some before. It smells so good. I might just take a nice little cozy bath tonight. I'm not sure. We have a Hello Kitty one right here. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh, there's actually pads. I didn't know. Okay, there's pads, there's tampons. You see, I'm ready. I don't even know that I'm ready, but I'm ready. And then somewhat behind that side of the bathroom, I also have my CD, a little bit of CDs over here. I also have a BRATZ CD player that I love. Oh my god, I love to play my tunes in here while I'm taking a shower, taking a bath, getting ready to go outside. And then like this is like in a little basket that I'm going to show you guys, where there is a lot of my beauty products, like my hair care products, so oils and creams, and my blow dryer, flat iron, just about anything to style my hair. Now we're about to enter into the hottest spot in my apartment, like the one that makes everyone go berserk. Even my dog loves this spot. My baby daughter, she's always in here, and I see why. Truthfully, I don't even think y'all are ready. This is the most iconic thing that I've ever laid my eyes on. And I've done a lot of cool stuff, I've seen a lot of cool stuff, but what I create is always top tier. Right behind me we have my closet. I mean, if you didn't already notice, I have a whole bunch of closets. You've seen one in my outer room where I mainly keep my denims and my dresses. In this wardrobe, I have all of my tops and a few skirts as well. I also have a huge collection of handbags. They're really unorganized just because I have no room. This is what we're dealing with when I need a purse. I just scramble up in my closet and I pick out a purse and we're ready to go. On the bottom, you can see here that I have my shoes. I have a whole bunch of different shoes, variations of shoes, from platforms to wedges to stilettos. Got knee-high boots as well. That's pretty much it for this closet, but I also can move to this corner. I have a few tracksuits, my tracksuit jackets. I have a few listed on my website. It's a mixture of Juicy and other brands. All of my Juicy ones are on the website, so you can go ahead and shop that right now. I have an apple bottom right here. She is so beautiful, but I don't wear her enough. We're gonna try to pull her this fall and winter. I have a Hollister track pants. I haven't seen anybody with this one, so I'm pretty hype about this. This pants that I've actually worn in one of my videos. I'm from Jamaica, but not Queens. My handbags on the top, South Pole, apple bottoms. I also have my boots. I have my brat doll that I'm using as a jewelry holder. I've posted a video both on my YouTube shorts and on Instagram, and also TikTok, so that's 3. Here we have my most iconic purses that I kept sealed, from Baby Phat to Juicy, Baby Phat to Juicy again. I also have this Juicy Couture laptop bag, and for my little baby, look at this, we have Juicy dog carrier bags. Oh my god, so I have a pink and green one, pink and brown one. I actually bought this one before she was born. No, I'm joking. I got this one before I knew that I was gonna get her. Like, I was manifesting a little dog for the longest while. I wanted a Yorkshire so badly, and then yeah, I manifested her. The pink and green one I bought off Depop from a friend. I saw her posted on TikTok first, and I was like, oh, I need that. I also have a black carrier bag. I bought this one before I had her as well. I've worn her a lot, especially when I first got her. This was the main bag that she was being traveled in, and she gained a little bit of weight since I recouped her, because she was actually a rescue doggy, so she doesn't really fit in this quite like the other ones. This wall that I have up here is a crowd favorite because all of the black icons are on here, from Lil Kim, my twin, which people say that I look like all the time, a mixture of Lil Kim, Foxy Brown, a little bit of Nicki Minaj as well. It cost me a lot of money to print them out because they're color pictures, and I did not have a color printer. I didn't have any color ink in my printer at the time. The whole concept of this is because I was doing a photo shoot in my office, because, you know, not only am I a vixen, but I'm also a fashion stylist, creative director, businesswoman. I have a limited edition BRATZ fridge. Okay, how iconic is that? It's a mini fridge, BRATZ fridge, which holds my favorite drink ever. So A&W, if you're seeing this, put me in one of your commercials, okay? We're gonna do great business together. I also have a little iPod speaker up here. Here we have it. I just don't have an iPod right now. Right here we have another little bed that sometimes my sister used to sleep on as a guest, but I mainly put this in here for the photo shoot. It was a sleepover photo shoot, as you guys probably already saw, but yeah. But I love it. It just makes the room a little bit more Y2K. In the back of me, we have my little vanity. This is where I get ready, where I do my makeup, sometimes my hair, but mainly my makeup. My hair is mainly done in my washroom. My sunglasses in the back here. Some BRATZ purses displayed, the BRATZ frame display that I got from Facebook Market. Here we have my Hello Kitty TV that doesn't work anymore. Moving along to the back, here on my door we have a few robes. All of the robes are iconic. I have a Playboy one, I have a Baby Phat one, Baby Phat by Kimora Simmons, and then it says Goddess in the front. I love this one so much. I also have a BRATZ one, but I don't feel like holding her out, honestly. I have a whole bunch of belts here. Some of them have buckles already on there, like this one per se, and then some don't have the buckles and I need to attach a buckle on it. And I also have belt bags, as you can see over here. I just realized that I didn't talk about jewelry. I hold my jewelry in boxes right here on the ground. My hoop earrings, bamboo earrings. In another BRATZ box, I have a few necklaces. I don't really wear these necklaces a lot because these necklaces have like a different vibe, more of a chic going out or more boho, I don't want to say, vibe to them. So this is like the type of jewelry I would wear if I'm going to like a nice brunch restaurant or like a little cute walk where I just want to look, you know, I don't want to say presentable, but you want to look a little bit more madame-ish, you know, like, yeah, this is my madame box. And here is my other BRATZ box where I hold my belt buckles. So I have this Baby Phat one here that I love wearing a lot. I have it in gold as well as in pink. I have this one that I've showed on my channel already. I have another one here that I haven't worn yet. This one here that hasn't been worn by me yet as well. Here is my Rockaware. I have two gold Baby Phat belt buckles. I don't know if I wore them yet, but I might sell one and keep one. I have this one that lights up that I haven't worn yet. Betty Boop again. Black Cadillac one as well. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get out of here because I need to just go about my business. But if you want to see more videos like these, let me know. If you want a full breakdown on where I got everything piece by piece, let me know in the comments. I really want to give y'all what you want, but for now I just gotta go. Bye.